Hey guys, on our channel, we're making cookies. It's so good. Guys, we're Spider-Man webs.
Oh yeah.
It's so yummy.
Today we're making some cool treats.
Yeah, treats.
Making cookies.
Yeah, cookies.
Yeah, in order to decorate them.
Let's eat them.
Wow, I can't wait to put them on.
It's so good.
The both of us are gonna be decorating 2 cookies.
Yeah, 2 cookies.
With these 3 ingredients.
Grindins.
And then both of us will pick whichever one we want.
Yeah,
And then in the end, we'll taste test.
taste test.
So here are our ingredients. We have chocolate chips, M&Ms,
Yeah.
and some raisins.
And candy.
So let's get started.
Let's get started.
And we can't forget the cookie dough. That's the most important part.
Cookies. And chocolate chip, candy, and
Raisins.
raisins.
So now we're gonna open this.
Yeah, we like these.
Mom's gonna help with the scissors. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah! Mommy, yeah. Go, mommy, go, mommy, go. Wow! Thanks, Mom. Cookies. Wait.
Now we're gonna wash our hands. Come
Yeah.
on, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Yummy cookies.
Don't forget to wash your hands when you're doing stuff like this. Let's grab our squares and put them on the tray. And you could,
Yeah, let's do this.
and then you can form them any way you want.
It's my turn.
Okay. Hey. For him, for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, nice. Now, watch me, Reese. Here, now just form it into a circle, however you want. Well, however you want.
Yeah, I'll do that. Look. Mate. What germs? No germs.
It's not germs.
And cookies. I gotta wash my hands.
No, it's okay. You can wash your hands after.
Instance. It's more germs. Mom, look. I will make a monster.
Oh, cool.
Done. I made a Yeti. Ta-da. Let's fix the horns.
Ooh, cool.
Yeah. Oh wait, maybe I can. Maybe I can use something to make eyes.
The chocolate chip.
Reese, what do you want to build on yours?
and back and mouth
Put this too.
and eyes.
Okay. Yeah, I'll put a chocolate chip on the horn so it looks pointy. Ta-da!
Mom, look.
Maybe I'll use
Mom,
this
look.
for one
Look
big claw.
us.
Here's a
We're
claw.
we done.
Oh, almost done. I'll help you after this one, Reese.
Okay, all done.
Reese, what do you want to build?
I want to make Spider-Man.
Okay. Let's see what I can do.
Mom, we making Spider-Man.
Oh, cool.
Okay, here you go, Reese. That's his head.
That's Spider-Man head.
And I'll try to make a body with some of this stuff.
Buddies. And this is the Spider-Man eyes.
No, oh, actually, that's pretty good. Oh, yeah. Here's this body. Here you go.
Again more. And Spider-Man bodies.
Here's his arms.
And these.
Careful. Here's Spider-Man's arm.
But Spider-Man and F. Spikey and Miles. And Spider-Girl. Are we done? Mom.
Now, alright. Now decorate it any way you want.
Guys, we're Spider-Man webs.
Oh, yeah.
It's so good.
Are you done?
It's
One
so
thing.
good. The candy's so good. It's so good.
What color is it?
Green. It's
Maybe it can make a tail. A little tail. Yeah.
Are you done with your Spider-Man?
There's the tail.
yeah. They tell me make my Spider-Man.
Okay, time for the last step. Tail.
Now, Mom, this candy is so good.
Can I eat one now? Yay.
It's so yummy.
That's actually
What color is that one?
And red. It's so good.
You're right.
Mmm.
And one
Don't
more.
bite it. Suck it.
And one last point to the tail. So
It's so yummy.
I'm done. Done. Alright, Reese, are you done decorating it? Probably not done. He's just been spending his time eating.
Wow, it's candy.
No,
What colors?
no more.
Oh, wow, it's green. It turned green. Wait, I'm not done.
Hey, no more. What's
Huh?
back? Do I have back for these?
It's so yummy.
red because Reese is eating it all.
It's so funny.
No more.
Oh man, I'm almost out of red. There, and it's 2 more. No, stop eating it off. No, no more. No more.
Mom, do cookies. We just built them.
Cool.
Hey Reese, which one do you think is better? Mine or yours?
Mine.
Really?
Yeah. Mom, I squish it. Ooh, cookies. Ooh, Mom, it's so funny.
Is it fun?
It's time to make one more cookie, Reese.
No.
Let's make.
That's cool, actually.
Thanks. What do you want to make together, Reese?
I want this.
No. What do you want to make with the last piece of dough?
Miles.
Let's make something else.
Idea?
Ooh, you want to make a star cookie?
Yeah.
Or some kind of shape?
Yay. High five. High five. Let's make star cookies together. I sing D-chop. D-chop.
Okay. Now let's flatten it. And there's a heart cookie.
I love you.
I love it too.
You got the idea because of the heart. Now let's put some chocolate chips. We'll just use what we have
Ooh.
now.
So we out green and red.
You're out of red and green?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one green left. Now we're out.
Oh. It's
And then
one
let's finish it up with chocolate chips.
chocolate treats. Yeah, let's get started.
We already started.
I mean, you probably need to
Yeah.
let's get started with the baking.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then one last chocolate chip, like right.
Chocolate chip.
Oh look!
It's so good.
Oh look! I found a red. Now we're gonna bake what we made into cookies. Yay! Yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay, stay right here.
Okay. Oh, that's amazing. Mom, it's hot.
Stay right here.
Okay, Mom. Mom, wait. I'm ready.
Not yet.
So Mom, how long until the cookies are ready?
15. Look at the timer. 14 more minutes.
1 minute.
It's actually 13 more minutes now.
Ooh.
3 more minutes now.
We have to wait.
Okay. It's ready. It's starting.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, open.
Not yet.
Okay. It's ready? Nope, it's not ready. Oh, it's chocolate chip. Mom, let's make more cookies.
We'll
Mom.
make brownies later.
Yeah!
So can I dip my Yeti in some milk?
Of course.
Yeah.
Too close, guys. Step back.
Okay.
That's why I look at me.
Mom, stand back. yummy cookies. Mmm, yum, 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 yum.
So now we're just waiting for the cookies to be ready.
I took the picture of one milk. It's one milk fridge.
You have milk in the fridge?
Okay.
Cookies.
Time to fix
Yum,
it.
yum, yum, yum.
Okay, now to fix it.
Oh. I might have some too.
Don't want to break it. There. So it's the head. Fix up and a middle. And there. And the foot there. And let's break that up. So we have elbows. And he has his elbows. That's his head. And I think he's fixed. Okay, doesn't look like we can fix this one, so we'll just call it a goldfish.
Yeah, goldfish so good. Yum, 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 yum.
And there you go, your cookie goldfish.
Cookie goldfish. I want to eat it.
Now it's called Kaiden. He's the taste tester.
Oh, Kaiden.
So Kaiden, here's a challenge. Who do you think made the Yeti? Who do you think made the goldfish?
You made the Yeti.
Correct. And who made the goldfish?
That kid right there. He made the
Correct.
goldfish. Is that a goldfish?
Yes. It used to be a Spider-Man, but now when it changed form, it looks like a goldfish, so we're just making the most out of it. And who made the heart?
Yeah, I love you, Mom.
Love you too.
Reese?
And
Yeah, me.
Incorrect.
Son.
Mom, I want to cook a cookie. I want to
So it was you?
I want
Nope.
to cook.
Mom?
Nope.
Taro?
No. It was just us. Ah!
So it was you.
No.
So it was Reese.
Oh no, you're so wrong.
What?
The correct answer is both of us.
Ba 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 ba.
All right, taste it.
Ba 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 ba.
All right, time to taste your cookies. You can have a heart. Dig in, buddy.
Thank you.
Yeah, it used to be a heart, but it's
Take a bite. Check this out.
Let's take a bite. Time to taste my Yeti. Yeah, it's too bad it's not whole.
Mmm.
Time to taste my Yeti and okay, maybe it's one for taste pieces.
Mmm.
7%. Give me a whole thing like that.
Look at me. I can't get cookie.
Ooh, how does it taste?
How's the heart taste, Cousin?
Amazing.
Hope you enjoyed baking with us. Let us know which treat you like the best.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you later at cooking. Bye.